Hello class, good day. So for today, we're going to tackle about the greatest common factor or GCF. So what is greatest common factor and what is the importance of factorization? Right? With that, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next lesson. Alright, greatest common factor or mas kilala siya as GCF. Okay? So, bago yan, alamin muna natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng factor. The factors are numbers multiplied to give another number called their product. So, yung factors, sila yung mga numbers na kapag i-multiply natin, magbibigay siya ng mismong sagot na iyon. Okay? So, for example, we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Okay? So, ito si 4 at si 3, siya yung tinatawag natin factors. And si 12, siya yung tinatawag natin na product. Okay? And factors are very important, class, no? Because factoring is very helpful in simplifying expressions and solving equations. Kaya mahalaga na matutunan natin yung pag-factors or yung mga factors ng numbers. Alright? So, greatest common factor or GCF of a set of two or more numbers is the largest number that divides evenly into both numbers. So, para mas maintindihan mo lalo itong greatest common factor class, mas mainam na alamin mo muna yung about sa prime factorization. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam yung prime factorization, meron akong video about prime factorization. So, I'll put the link below para mapanood nyo at masundan ang greatest common factor. Alright? So, for example, hanapin natin yung mga GCF ng 12 and 16. So, unang gagawin natin is think of two numbers that if we multiply, it will give us 12 as a product. Or, in other words, mag-isip tayo ng factor ng 12. So, 4 and 3 are factors of 12. Okay? Then, think of two numbers naman since itong si 4 ay composite number pa siya, hindi pa siya prime number. So, ito naman yung i-factor natin. Okay? So, mag-isip tayo ng dalawang number na kapag i-multiply natin, magbibigay siya ng sagot na 4. So, that is 2 and 2. And dahil itong 2, 2, and 3 ay mga prime numbers na sila, so therefore, si 12, mayroon siyang 2 and 2 and 3. Alright? Na mga factors. 60 naman, okay? So, mag-isip tayo ng dalawang factors ni 60 or dalawang number na kapag i-multiply natin, ang sagot niya ay 60. So, we have 2 times 30. Pwede ring 10 times 6. Okay lang din yun. As long as, kaya na sinabi ko, kapag naka-composite number pa siya, kailangan pa natin siyang i-factor hanggang sa umabot tayo sa prime number. Okay? So, si 2, prime number na siya. Since si 30, naka-composite number pa siya, so i-factor pa natin. So, mag-isip tayo ng dalawang number, pa-i-multiply natin siya, 30 yung kanyang sagot. So, we can have 2 times 15. So, si 2 here, naka-prime na. Pero si 15, composite number pa. So, again, mag-isip ulit tayo ng factors ni 15. So, we can use 3 times 5. Right? So, kung napansin nyo, lahat ng mga ito ay prime numbers na. So, we have 2, 2, 3, and 5. So, yung factors ni 60 ay 2, 2, 3, and 5. Now, dito sa greatest common factor, ang gagawin natin ay kukunin nyo yung common factor sa kanila. Ibig sabihin na common, ibig sabihin yung factor na iyon ay meron sa 12, meron din sa 60. Hindi po pwedeng nasa 12 lang, pero wala sa 60. Alright? Kasi nga common, so dapat meron ang factor na iyon sa 12, meron din sa 60. So therefore, we have 2. So after that, maghanap ka pa ng isa pang common factor, then i-multiply natin yun sila. Ang sagot niya, yun yung kanyang greatest common factor. So we have 2. Ito yung unang common factor natin. So next one is may isa pang 2. So times 2. Next one is we have 3. So times 3. So si 5, hindi na natin pwedeng i-multiply dito since hindi siya common sa kanilang dalawa. Dahil si 5 ay sa 60 lamang, wala siya sa 12. So ibig sabihin hindi common. So if we are going to multiply 2 times 2 times 3, ang sagot, yun yung greatest common factor ng 12 at 60. So to multiply 2 times 2 times 3, that is equal to 12. So therefore, si 12 ang GCF ni 12 at ni 60. Okay? So another example, we also have 50 and 120. So ano yung GCF ni 50 at ni 120? So, i-factor natin yung 50, meron tayong 10 times 5. Since si 5 ay naka-prime number na, so si 10 na lang ang ating i-factor dahil naka-composite pa. So, ang factor ng 10 is 2 and 5. So, pareho na silang mga prime numbers. So, therefore, sulat natin sa baba ang factors ng 50. So, meron tayong 2 at dalawang 5. Okay, so punta muna tayo kang 120. Si 120, pwede natin siyang gamitan ng factors na 2 times 60. Si 60 ay naka-composite number pa. So, we can still factor 60. So, ang factor ng 60 is 2 times 30. Right? So, again, si 30, naka-composite number pa. So, i-factor natin si 30, that is 2 times 15. So, continue natin yung process hanggang sa yung mga factor natin ay mga prime number na lang. So, si 15, 3 times 5 yung factor. So, lahat ng mga iyan ay mga prime number na. So, therefore, yung factor ni 120 ay 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Okay? So, now, ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin yung common factor ni 50 at ni 120. And then, i-multiply natin ang mga yun yung kanilang greatest common factor. So, we have here 2. Susulat natin si 2. Isa pang common nila is 5. So, that's 5. So, dalawa lang yung common natin dito na i-multiply since, kung napansin nyo, itong 5 here, wala nang ibang 5 dito sa baba. May 2 sana dito, pero wala nang ibang 2 sa taas. So, kung ano lang yung present sa kay 50 at present ka 120, yun yung common. So, meron tayong 2 and 2. So, sulat natin dito 2. Tapos 5 and 5, so 5. Kaya, i-multiply natin ang 2 and 5. So, 2 times 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung GCF ni 50 at 120 is 10. Alright? So, last example. So, pwede rin class na yung hanapan natin ng GCF is more than 2 numbers, hindi lang yung dalawa. So, here, meron tayong 40, 60, and 120. So, hanapin natin ng GCF. So, si 40, meron siyang factors na 2 times 20. Si 20, meron siyang factors na 2 times 10. And for 10, meron siyang factors na 2 times 5. Lahat siya, naka-prime number na, susulat lang natin 40. So, ang factors niya are 2, 2, 2, and 5. Next one is 60. So, ano yung factors ng 60? We have 6 times 10. So, si 6, composite number pa, at pati rin si 10. So, ibig sabihin, pareho silang if-factor pa natin. So, here kay 6, we can use ang 2 times 3 as factors ng 6. At kapag i-multiply natin sa 2 at si 3, ang sagot ay si 6. At yung 2 at 3 na iyan ay parehong prime numbers na. So, ibig sabihin, wala na tayong kailangang gagawin. Si 10, naka-composite number pa. So, factor ni 10 are 2 and 5. Okay? So, therefore, si 2, 3, 2, and 5, yun yung mga factors ni 60. Next one is 120. So, 2 times 60 or 2 and 6, there are factors of 120. And since 60 ay naka-composite number pa, so kailangan pa natin siya i-factor. So, yung factor ng 60 are 2 and 30. So, ganun ulit si 30. So, ano yung factor ni 30? Pwedeng 2 times 15. Pwede rin namang 3 times 10. As long as kailangan nyo i-factor ulit hanggang sa umabot na prime number na lang siya. Alright? So, here we use 2 and 15 as factors ng 30. So, since si 15 ay composite number pa, so factor natin siya, so we can use 3 times 5. So, lahat yan ay mga prime numbers na. So, therefore, yung factors ni 120 are 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. So, ngayon, para maghanap natin yung GCF ng 40, ng 60, at 120, okay, para mahanap natin ang GCF ng 40, ng 60, at 120, so kailangan natin hanapin yung common factors nilang tatlo at i-multiply natin. Yun yung kanilang GCF. So, ano yung mga factors na common sa kanilang tatlo? So, we have 2. So, yung 2. Ano pa? We also have another 2. So, times 2. Ano pa? We also have 5. Okay? So, times natin sa 5. Hindi natin pwedeng isama si 3 dahil walang 3 si 40. Right? Hindi na rin tayo pwedeng maglagay ng another 2 because wala nang ibang 2 dito sa 60. So, tatlo lamang yung common sa kanila. Dalawang 2 at isang 5. So, if we are going to multiply 2 times 2 times 5, so the answer is 20. So, therefore, yung GCF ni 40, 60, and 120 ay 20. Alright? So, that's all for today, class. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next lesson. Thank you!